Click on the link below to get price. The electric bike for adults with a peak motor of 1000 divided by 1500 divided by 3000 W is a revolutionary vehicle designed for thrill seekers and everyday commuters alike. With speeds reaching up to 35 to 37 mph, this bike offers an exhilarating riding experience that is hard to match. The power delivered by the motor is impressive, making it easy to conquer steep hills and rough terrains with minimal effort. One of the standout features is the bike's versatility. Whether you're using it for daily commuting or weekend adventures on dirt trails, it performs exceptionally well. The adjustable power settings allow riders to choose the ideal level of assistance, which is particularly beneficial for those who might not need the full power for every ride. The bike handles well at high speeds, instilling confidence in the rider while ensuring a smooth ride. The frame is sturdy yet lightweight, constructed from high-quality materials that promise durability. Even after a few rough rides, the bike shows no signs of wear, suggesting it can withstand the rigors associated with off-road biking. The suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, providing a comfortable experience over bumps and uneven surfaces. Battery life is another crucial aspect, and this electric bike does not disappoint. Depending on the mode used, you can expect a significant range, making it feasible for longer rides without worrying about running out of power. The charging time is relatively quick, allowing riders to get back on the road in no time. The bike also comes equipped with safety features, including bright LED lights and responsive braking systems, ensuring visibility and protection during night rides. Overall, the electric bike for adults is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to combine power, speed, and reliability in their cycling experience. It effectively merges functionality with excitement, catering to a wide range of riding preferences. For those seeking an efficient and thrilling ride, this electric bike is worth considering.